Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. JD Man is the name of the channel. My name's Scott, and this is the luggage options for the 2021 Aprilia RSV4 1100. As you see, I've got the SW Motec. This is their sport bag. Okay. And I've got my Kriega 20 liter Drypack on here. See where we got her attached there, and in the back. 20 liter is a good size. I can fit my lunch bag in there, a raincoat, rain pants, maybe a sweatshirt, and that all at the same time. I've got, just has some stuff in there right now. So it's a good size. It's not too big, not too small. And so the SW Motec takes this Pro tank ring, okay, and there you go as far as that is. Now it, on RevZilla, it lists it as not fitting this bike, okay, and I think I'm going to get it for my Street Fighter as well. And what's nice, you know, this has got plenty of storage here. There's a zipper on the bottom to expand it, both sides. You can stuff in there. It has a port there to run your cables through if you want to charge anything. And all you do, okay, you pull this and that detaches it, and there's the tank ring. It's a pretty clean install. See if I can do this single-handed. And it's magnetic, so there, boom, that was it. She's on. I like that. So that gives you plenty of storage there. Okay, I think this might be 15 liter. I'm not sure, maybe less. I can't remember. When we did our spring ride, I had it on the bike, and it was nice. I could put some water in there and that. Okay, so now for the Kriega, try and keep this short. And if you haven't, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Would really appreciate it. So, you know, all we got to do, we undo these. I don't have them real tight. Okay. And we'll sit that there. Got it on top of the pillion seat. Okay. Now, Kriega does not show a listing for this either. It's for like 2020 Tuono and back. All right, and you'll see what I did. So that pulls off. You've got your attachment points here. Okay, this seat's a little bit different than the older Tuono. All right, but what I did and what the difference is on the Tuonos, it's like back in here is where the strap goes through. It's just Velcro. Okay. But yeah, SW Motec sport bag, Kriega 20 liter, and the Pro tank ring. And on, I forget where, I did not get this from RevZilla. It was another outfit. They did have it showing that it does fit this bike, and it does. And I think it'll fit on the Street Fighter as well. I'm going to get one, but you better hurry because Revzilla says they're on closeout. So okay, like I said, my name's Scott, channel's JD Man. We do a little bit of everything here, all mechanical stuff, bikes. Got the Bronco there, the old Mustang is up on the lift. I got a set of headers for it, so I want to try and get onto that, get that car back on the road, so that'll be something else. So thanks for watching. This is JD Man. I'm gonna say peace.